Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. Today we'll check out Just Banco Lad. I don't know if they have the music video for this. I only see the audio and someone requested, so I'm just gonna check it out. It's not the video, it's the audio. So we're gonna check it out, that's what's going on. And I think I did 2 songs for this guy already. I think I did 2 songs for this guy already. So I know that he's very talented.
Put the money in a plastic bag. I lost it, man.
Off the jump, the rhythm, love the rhythm. Love the jolt in the rhythm. This one sounds good. Rhythm sounds good.
Oh, you know I'm active, lad. Put the money in a plastic bag. I lost it, bands. Little nigga still back in counts. Oh, you know I'm plastic bag. I lost it, bands. Little nigga still back in grams. Oh, little nigga still back in grams. Little nigga need cash in hand. Smash and run. Hallelujah, the Parker land.
Funny enough, this song is it sounds simple, but the rhythm is really playing it off. And that's the way the vocal sound. Very chill, very chill.
Now a nigga tryna catch a scran. Shit, I need to get the pack to some. Last time was a madness farm. Traffic jam. Plug call from Pakistan.
Oh, Pakistan. Anybody don't get what it mean, like Pakistan and Ramadan? I think Ramadan is like a religious gathering. I think it's a religious meeting or something like that. Or a yearly meeting of religious people. I think it happened in India too. So it's India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Let me know if I'm getting it right.
You call me like banging fam. You can call me if the Parker line. Call me. I'm an old Trafford fam. You know I'm active, lad. Put the money in a plastic bag. I lost it, bands. Little nigga still back in. Little nigga still back them grams. Little nigga still slang them packs. Little nigga still back them. Oh. Little nigga still slang them match. Little nigga still got them grams. Little nigga still back them packs. You know I'm active, lad. Put the money in a plastic bag. I lost it, bands. Little nigga still back in grams. Oh. You know I'm active, lad. Put the money in a
plastic bag. Oh.
I lost it, bands. Little nigga still back in grams. Oh.
Plastic bag. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video to Just Banco Lad. As I said, the song is actually very simple, but it's still have a lot of vibes to it. Especially the rhythm. I think the rhythm really bring it off a lot. Because the song is really simple, but the rhythm bring it off a lot, and I like the beat in it, you know. Yeah, so this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love.